Hey guys, so this is a very simple eye look. I used my Masquerade Mini by Juvias that I got from Dubois Street to achieve this look. So I started off with my brows, set it with my concealer before going in for my eyeshadow. So I basically used two shades to achieve this look. I started off with Fulani and I applied it all over my eyelids. So if you've noticed, lately I've been focusing on the eyes when it comes to my makeup videos and not the rest of my face. This is because I just want to show you how I am able to come up with different looks from this particular palette that I got from Dubois Street. I then went in with Cairo, which is an orange shade, to blend in to avoid any harshness. Like I said in my Dubois Street haul, which you can watch if you click the link above, this palette is not 100% genuine, but the colors are very pigmented and you can do a lot with it. Marie Adede, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I know you asked me to swatch the colors on the palette. I'll do so in my next makeup video, so watch out for it. So this is the final look. I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and comment, and up until the next video. Bye bye.